In this step-by-step tutorial, I will teach you how to add a new page to your GoDaddy website builder. Our first destination will be the product page on GoDaddy, where you will need to locate your specific website. To navigate there, open your web browser of choice and head to the GoDaddy website. Sign in using your credentials, and you will land on your GoDaddy product page. Here, you will see an array of different products and services you may have linked to your account. Carefully scan through until you find your website. Next, you will need to expand a certain tab titled Websites plus Marketing. You can easily find this label on your product page, and it usually resides next to your website listing. Click to expand this tab, and a host of options will appear. Among these options, look for one labeled Manage. It should be sitting pretty right next to your website's name. Click on Manage and prepare for the next step. Now that we are managing our website, let's edit it by opening the builder. Look towards your screen and pinpoint a button labeled Edit Website. Click this to open the builder where all the magic happens. Once we're inside the builder, our attention should be fixated on the top right corner of the screen. Here, you'll spot a little plus icon. Yes, the one that looks like a cross. Clicking this icon will expand a list of options for your site's navigation. Moving on, from the expanded options, we will need to select New Page. By selecting this, we'll set ourselves up for the excitement that comes with creating a brand new page in GoDaddy Website Builder. Now we've landed on the fun part, choosing a page template. Look through the ones available and pick the one that most appeals to you. Once you've made up your mind, select Create Page to move to the next part of our journey. Adding the final touches to your new page is next on our agenda. Up first, we give our new creation a title, making it something that reflects the content of the page. Following this, make a decision about where your new page should be hosted. It can be in your website's navigation or in the footer section. The choice is yours, and totally depends on how visible you want it to be to your site's visitors. The final step in our path to creating a new page on GoDaddy Website Builder is relatively straightforward. Look for a button labeled Done and click on it. By doing so, you would have successfully added a new page to your GoDaddy website. Revel in the satisfaction and delight of crafting something new. And there you have it, a simple, easy-to-follow step-by-step guide on how to add a new page to your GoDaddy website builder. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and educational. Remember, it's all about taking it one step at a time, and before you know it, you'll be a pro at creating new pages,